Meet MARC. MARC gives operations just what they've been looking for. A practical, autonomous, mobile robotic cart that is simple to implement and use, creating value from day one. What's so special about this impressive piece of hardware? MARC is highly functional, very smart, and he is remarkably affordable. He has none of the bells and whistles you don't need and don't want to pay for. He's also friendly and easy to work with. MARC is a tough cart, outfitted with electronics that tell him exactly where to go and what to steer clear of. With Wi-Fi free mode, MARC will operate smoothly in existing facilities without the need for deploying Wi-Fi. Unlike the competition, he doesn't need any help to get around. MARC is designed to carry heavy and fragile loads safely to their destinations. The best part, MARC is well within reach. His price tag is 1/5 the cost of others. At this rate, you can't afford not to hire him. MARC, the smarter cart.